Has anyone actually made money with Nutmeg? That's the burning question, isn't it? You've probably seen the ads, heard the promises of effortless wealth growth. But let's cut through the marketing hype and dive deep into the world of Nutmeg. We're going to explore whether this investment platform is a goldmine or just another shiny object. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Nutmeg is a robo-advisor. Fancy term, right? Basically, it's an automated investment platform that builds and manages your portfolio based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Sounds pretty slick, doesn't it? But is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's talk about what makes Nutmeg tick. They claim to use sophisticated algorithms to analyze market trends and make investment decisions on your behalf. No need to worry about picking stocks or timing the market, right? You simply input your financial goals, and Nutmeg takes care of the rest. But does this automated approach actually deliver results? We're going to dissect the numbers. We'll look at Nutmeg's performance history, compare it to other investment options, and see if it really lives up to the hype. We'll also dive into the fees, because let's face it, nothing in the investment world is free. Are Nutmeg's fees reasonable, or are they eating into your potential returns? But it's not just about the numbers. We'll also explore the user experience. Is Nutmeg easy to navigate? Can you actually understand what's going on with your investments? And what about customer support? Are they there to help when you need them? And let's not forget about the risks involved. Investing always carries a degree of risk, and Nutmeg is no exception. We'll break down the potential downsides and help you understand what you're getting yourself into. We'll also hear from real people who've used Nutmeg. What are their experiences? Did they make money? Did they lose money? What do they love and hate about the platform? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Nutmeg is right for you. We'll cut through the marketing jargon and give you the straight talk. We'll help you decide if Nutmeg is a smart investment or just another shiny object. So, stick around, because we're about to uncover the truth about Nutmeg. And remember, investing is a serious business, so do your own research and don't rely solely on this video. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.